ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Pulit Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kumshibinta Banwanra ka Jingïadei Bha Prengi Pulit bagi Paidbah Jingïadei ka Director General of Police ka Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Klapen Pau Shen kan sa Thung no do Public Relation Officer kana makandan ka Jingïadei ka Bajan. Habakaran magla patay ka board ka DGP ka Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang Klapen Pau ba ka Thung ba khmat ka dibante lakam gi jingsne wat kum juru ban pen klan yaki Pulit hamana ki district kana makanla bante lakam gi jingsha thombor ki khunlong khna ba gi jingsha thombor ki kan thai.
This is an annual thing which we normally have every year. Unfortunately, we were not able to have it in last year. So we're having it this year, and we look forward to taking a number of decisions which will be which the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been very kind to assure us that they would continue with their commitment and their support to us. The major issues, our priorities would be, of course, as usual, prevention, detection of crime. Our priorities would also look at the infrastructure that we have. Our priorities would also be a thing which we are trying very hard to improve, our police public relations. To that end, we would be appointing a PRO soon, which we haven't had for a number of years. And also another priority, of course, is, again, together with working with the Social Welfare Department in the DREAMS project. At the moment, see, the conference has just been initiated. While we have gotten the initial points from the various officers heading various units and the districts, that will be up for discussion now. I would be better placed to be able to answer that question at the end of the conference. No, it certainly would not be an exercise. I would like to point out here that in the last conference, which was held in 2022, a number of initiatives were taken up. The government did support us, and we were able actually to do these things rather than just be a tabletop exercise and just ending in discussions. That is the whole purpose of the conference. Yes, it would be a major agenda here. I would also like to point out here that when it comes to crime against women and children, 65% of our cases which end up in charge sheet, especially in 2023, were from cases of crime against women and children. Yes, crime against women and children is a rise. It's, in fact, if you look at it as a total percentage of the total crime in the state, last year it was 32% of the total crime in the state, which is a cause of concern. Yes, we are looking at cybercrime. In fact, we had one of the things which we had requested the government proposed to the government is for a cyber unit, a cyber wing, in fact. And the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister have been gracious enough to give us the go-ahead on that. That would be one of the things that we would be focusing on and ensuring that it comes into being very soon. And of course, that is also, we've had already in the run-up to the implementation of the new laws from the 1st of July, we've had numerous training sessions already. We've had numerous interactions both with BPRLD and with MHA on this, and with other states also as to what are the best practices forward. Yes, the BNSS has already been, the government has already notified it also, and it would be applicable to the whole of Meghalaya. There are various aspects of it. Yesterday we had a panel discussion on it, and the various aspects of it which have changed. There are some new aspects, and those certainly will be a cause of discussion amongst us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.